Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional to-do list app using Python, Flask, and Replit AI. Now, this app will let us add tasks with deadlines, mark them as completed, delete them, and store everything in a JSON file so that the data stays safe. Now, before starting with the prompt and our app, I'm just going to introduce you to Replit AI framework that how you can use it, where to come, and how to start creating your app. So first of all, you have to come to this URL replit.com. You have to just register it. You have to just then log in it, and you have to click on the button create app. Okay, then you will get this interface. Here you have to write what you want, what type of application you want using whatever technologies, whatever features you want, or you can, if you don't want to do that much, you can just directly simply write create this and this. Okay, and it will be created and all the planning will be done. Then you will get, when you will create your application, you can show all the application by coming in this apps. Okay, then if you have deployed some application, you can see it over here. Then there are developer frameworks in which you can go and use some of the frameworks. Okay, and you can create uh, your own projects from there. Now let's begin with creating the app. So I'll just do what? I'll just say the AI to create a Flask to-do list app in Python. Then I'll mention some of the features and I'll ask the AI to add these features. Okay. Then I'll mention all the features which I want to add. So I want the first feature, that is that add task feature. Okay. In which I'll mention that each task has a name and there will be an optional deadline. Then I'll add the next feature as mark tasks as completed. Okay, this feature should be there. Then the next feature I want is to delete the tasks. Then another feature will be I want to store all the tasks in a JSON format, in a JSON file, so that they persist after restart also. And the last feature is I want to display all the tasks in a simple HTML page, in a simple HTML page with forms for adding and managing tasks. And just you have to click on create app and creating your app will be started. Now first it will show you a plan. Okay, and then it will ask you that if you like the plan or not. Let's see how well the plan is created, and if something is needed to modify, so we'll modify it. As you can see, planning is done. It has come up with an initial version of Flask-based to-do list application with JSON persistence, allowing users to add, complete, and delete tasks through a simple web interface. All over the features which I have mentioned that has been included here. In addition, it has added its own features also. And for later on purpose, it has added these features. Okay. So first of all, the initial version will be done, and then it will complete with the later versions also. Now, I like the plan, so I'll approve the plan, and let's see what it is creating. And then if there will be needed for some upgradation, I'll upgrade it. Now you will see without writing a single line of code, the whole app will be created And not only a simple web interface application, a fully functional application will be created. So that is a very important thing, that you don't need to write a single line of code with your own. Everything will be done in just few minutes. Now, as you can see, agent is ready, everything is created, and let's explore that how our to-do list application works. So the heading, as you can see, the application heading to-do list is quite impressive. It has put its own logo also. So it is also looking very nice. Okay, add new task. First of all, you have to write the task description. So my task description is, let's say, complete assignment. Let's give the deadline. Okay, it has added its own calendar also. So from that also we can set the deadline. So let's set the deadlines for 9/9/2025. And let's add task. Let's see if the task get added or not. Okay, so task added successfully. Now, you can see here in total there is one task that is pending, that is not completed. Now let's see if the complete feature is working or not. So we have checkbox that, and now that task has been completed, and in pending there is 0, and in completed there is 1. So all the operations are correctly working. Now let's try to delete the task and then see. Or let's try by creating the completed. Okay, so we'll clear the completed task. Okay, so one completed task cleared. So one task is now no task yet. Okay, now all the functionality is clearly working, as you can see. So basic CRUD operations which we wanted is correctly working. Now the UI, in the UI it has given, because we have asked for a basic HTML web page, so it has given that. Now I want to enhance the UI. So for that what I can do, I can, now I have to talk with the AI and I have to just say that please improve the UI. Okay, so I'll just give a simple prompt to it, okay, so that it can do the changes. So let me write it. Now I'm ready with the prompt. As you can see, I've just written what I wanted. Okay, so I've just said to improve the HTML and CSS of the to-do list app. Then I have mentioned that use a clean and modern design. Then I have mentioned display the task in a table with column which will contain task name, deadlines, status, and actions. Then I've said add complete and delete buttons with different colors. And at the end, I have said add a styled form at the top to add new tasks. Okay, so I'm talking about this form. Now, let's give this prompt to the AI and let's see what type of changes it is going to make and how it is going to improve the HTML and CSS of our to-do list app. So let's wait for it. Now, as you can see, it is working and it is saying that I'll improve the to-do list app with a clean and modern table based design. So let's wait and let's see how it will improve it. Oh my God, you can see over here that how beautifully it has created it. Okay, now let's see if it is working or not. So, okay, so task added successfully. Okay, in a table format, as you can see, everything is given. So there is assignment, deadline is this, status is pending, action is, there are two actions given, complete or delete. Let's complete it first. So task completed. Now status has been changed to completed. You can do it undo or you can delete. Let's try to delete. So, and now there is no task. Now I'm liking it. Okay, it's good. Now I want to add a toggle button to switch from dark theme to light theme. So I'll write the prompt for that. Now I've set to add a toggle button to switch from dark theme to light theme position of the button, and the position of the button should be top right. Let's see if it is able to add that toggle button or not, and if it is adding also, so it can be switched from dark theme to light theme, not. Okay, so let's see. Now again you can see it has started working, it has started creating plan, and based on the plan it will again do the work. Okay, so that is what I like about it, that first of all it start by generating a plan for every task you give to it, and then with that plan it has a proper template, it has a proper functional way to work on, and then it will start working on that path. Okay, just like it creates its whole thing in steps, and then it follow all the steps one by one. So that is because this accuracy level and efficiency of this Replit AI becomes very much good, very much efficient. So that is the thing. Okay, now as you can see in the preview, a button has been added, but let's wait it that task is completed or not. Okay, so now as you can see, agent is ready. So you can give more tasks to it. And now the toggle button is added. Okay, let's see if it is working or not. Yeah. So as you can see, it is working very nicely and very smoothly. And transition is very much smooth. Okay. And the icon inside the button is also changing, that now it's showing that you can switch to light theme. Okay. Now it is representing a moon, a half moon. It means to night theme you can switch it to. Oh my God, it's very nice. Okay, it's looking very good. Okay, now, uh, now I'll give it the final touch. Okay, so in the final touch, I'll write a prompt that add a page title, that my to-do list app. Okay, and I'll make it mobile friendly also. So I'll say that make the app mobile friendly too. Okay, for that with responsive CSS. Let's see if it is able to do or not. And after this, we are going to deploy it. We'll see that how we can deploy it. Okay. Now again, it has started thinking it would create a plan based on that, and then it will start working on the plan. As you can see, now it is working on the plan which has been generated by the AI. Okay, now again the agent is ready, means our task is completed, what we have said. Now again, as you can see, agent is ready, our task is completed. Let's see how responsive it has made it. Okay, so now you can see that if I'm decreasing the size to a mobile phone, so it will look like somehow this, and it's very nice. Okay, now this is how we have created our application. Let's try to deploy it. Okay, now you have just create on the this deploy button, and it will check mark everything. First the provision, then build. Build is also successful. Now it is creating the bundles. Okay, now the bundles has also been created. Now we are on the last stage. Okay, as you can see, it has successfully deployed it. And this is the domain which we are getting. You have to just paste it over here. And this is your to-do list application. Okay, and it is working. Task is added. You can check everything over here. Okay, task completed. Delete is also successfully. Now everything is working. Okay, so that's it. In just few minutes, we built a fully functional Flask to-do list web app with task management, deadlines, completion tracking, JSON storage, and a clean interface. What's amazing is that I didn't have to write everything from scratch. Replit AI did most of the heavy lifting. And not only most of the heavy lifting, everything is done by the Replit AI. This shows just how powerful Replit AI is. Whether you are a beginner learning to code or a developer trying to save time, you can easily create applications, experiment with ideas, and build projects faster than ever before. So, if you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and explore Replit AI. It's like having a coding partner available 24/7. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you on the next one.